Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of The Last Trump Card, chapter 15. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Monini and Kexin. Paul, Monini, she was screaming and she was calling Kexin. Are you awake? Kexin, still, she kept calling her, even though Kexin, it seems that she was going to be awakened. Well, Munini, she got really worried about her. Now, she really worried. She kept calling her name, but Kexin, eyes open, at this moment, still, it was hazy. Munini, keep calling Kexin. Are you still angry? Well, she got really serious, but Kexin, her face, still, it's red. I just had a dream. Kexin said, I dream about the first time we met. So it turns out she was dreaming about the past. Munini, we can see she's real worried about her. She's really concerned about Kexin, holding her hands and trying to feel it. Now, we know to ourselves that she still remember how we got together. Now, it really makes sense that those past things that happened, it's really memorable for her. That's why she's been so sad. Oh, probably there's a serious problem back then. That's why the two of them got separated, right? You, before, you came to me, Teacher Shen. That's right, I am not a good student, Kexin said to Munini. Well, you're so close to me. Kexin, she was telling Munini about this, that she need to be worried and also not to get closer to her. In Mission's eyes only, Vision students are her good student. Unfortunately, I don't want to be that kind of good student. Munini said to Kexin, I prefer to be like you, someone who doesn't compromise and also stick to their own ideas. Well, Munini said to Kexin, well, she's really tough back then. Now, they really always been together, staying together, studying together, and doing things, activity together. Well, definitely, they're really inseparable. Those vacant time, they also teaching card tricks. Well, it seems that Munini, back then, she is feeling happy doing things on her, like she's being amazed together with Jackson. She really feels good. Oh, that was a sweet thing, right? When there's day that it's been raining hard, the two of them suddenly got lost and looking at the sky. Well, are they going to run to the rain? Munini said to Kexin, well, this is satisfying. Kexin, she's been so timid. I might have to transfer school. Well, Munini suddenly said to Kexin, but Kexin phrase, she looks really in shock. What do you think is the reason that's why the two of them got separated? Well, things are not right, especially for the things. Well, we really can wait to see. Oh, I was just kidding. Your expression. Well, it turns out she's really kidding on hers. But Mooney back then said, well, I love you so much, and she was giggling. Well, this girl, she's really getting tricky. You're, you dare to mess with me. You, well, Nini, Gexen, she got a bit closer to her and trying to tease her back, but Munini, suddenly, she held her hands. Well, why suddenly she got focused on things? Well, the two of them kept staring at each other, but also they really sweating hard. Well, probably it was true that the two of them were got separated. Sometimes I feel like you're the one I've been searching for, someone who understands me, someone who accepts me as always by my side. Munini said to Kexin, but Kexin, she keeps staring on hers. Well, proudly, she really don't believe on what's happening on the two of them, but still, said, me, me too. Oh, the feeling, it's really mutual for the two of them, right? So, it is a good thing. Even though Kexin at this moment, how about we, the durations of happiness a little longer? Well, Munini, she seems to be happy while telling her until graduation or longer. Well, this time, she is really happy. While speaking, we can see that the happiness on her eyes and also her face, it really makes sense. We really can be do positive things in life, but Kexin still, it's not. She's not really convinced about that, right? Well, Monini said, run, they really need to run, since the raining has been tough. While covering her head, Monini's jacket is being used, but still the two of them are being happy while walking in the rain. Back to the present, where Kexin, she's falling asleep but also trying to hold her feelings, remembering the past. Her eyes, it's really sad. Now, she become teary, roughly remembering those past. It really makes sense. It was really difficult for her not to fix anything, right? Well, from Monini, Monini said, don't cry, it's nice. Now, she was wiping her tears. Well, of course, she's really concerned about her. I never heard you say that it's because of you that I have taken steps that I have never dared to take, and I try to catch up with you and touch you. Monini said to her, well, it really makes sense, right? It seems that the relationship it's really getting better, but why? I just want to know, in your heart, what do you think of me? Well, Kexin said to Monini. Now, she's been asking. Also, she's been curious about this. But Monini, she's also become teary. Now, she grabbed her hands and patting it. That sentence is there. I know what you mean, but I can say it right now. Would you be willing to wait for me? Munini said to her. Now she's really crying hard and said, would you wait for me? Now, this is really sweet, right? We can see she's really concerned and love her so much. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.